This exploration is called Befriending the Autonomic Hierarchy and is from Chapter 2 of Anchored by Deb Dana. With an understanding of the architecture, responsibilities and survival actions of each autonomic state, we can move from cognition to embodied awareness. Our starting point is in the state of healthy homeostasis. Here, the ventral vagal energy is overseeing the entire system, bringing regulation to allow the sympathetic and dorsal systems to work in the background. I often imagine my ventral vagal state surrounding the sympathetic and dorsal systems, holding them in a warm embrace. The image I have been using recently for the ventral vagal state is a colourful umbrella that is sheltering the sympathetic and dorsal vagal states, keeping them safe and dry. What image comes to mind for you? How does this come alive in your body? How does your energy flow when your three states are connected and communicating? Take a moment to find your image and notice this embodied state of well-being. Next, explore what happens in your body when your sympathetic and dorsal states act on their own. Begin with the dorsal vagal state. What changes as you move from regulation to disconnection? Where does your body hold the feeling of collapse or shutdown? Move up into sympathetic mobilization. Let your nervous system show you the places in your body where you feel this state come alive. And now, find a name for each of the three states. While you may ultimately choose to stick with the biological terms ventral, sympathetic and dorsal, experiment with naming your states with your own labels. Turn inward, connect with each state again, and see what names you hear. For example, sunny, stormy, foggy, or flow, chaos, collapse, connected, activated, gone. Write down combinations of names that catch your interest and play with them until you find three that fit together and represent your experience.